Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing ChatGPT hacks that you can do right on your phone, no apps or technical skills needed. These tricks can save you time, boost your creativity, and even help you earn money online. Let's start with something fun: social media. Type this prompt into ChatGPT. Give me 5 creative Instagram captions about traveling with emojis. Boom. In seconds, you get ready-to-use trendy captions with emojis. Just copy and paste. Summarize articles. Fast, reading long articles? Paste the full text into ChatGPT and type, "Summarize this in 3 bullet points." You'll get a neat summary, perfect for students, researchers, or busy people. Professional messages and emails. Need to send a formal message or email? Prompt. Write a polite follow-up message for a job application. ChatGPT will give you a well-structured message you can send immediately. Works great for job seekers and freelancers. Ideas for YouTube, Instagram. If you're a creator like me, you'll love this one. Try, give me 10 YouTube video ideas about AI tools for beginners. It's like having a creative assistant in your pocket. Translate and learn. Here's a smart learning trick. Paste any sentence and type. Translate this to English and explain the grammar. Not only do you get the translation, but also an explanation. Great for language learners. All of this was done just using the mobile browser, no special apps needed. If you want a part 2 with more hacks, drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cool AI tips.